I want to do a drill that I think will help with the kinesthetics in your body, like the actual turn, synchronizing the hand motion with the turn. So start with your right hand under, your left hand over, and just I want you to think about as we're doing this. And I'm just going to show you with the right hand without the left hand because you can't even see it anyway. As I come from the bottom of the turn, so when it's here, it's at the bottom of the turn, I start rotating my body, right? I start rotating and I bring my hand up and over, right? So it's up and over, then come back out. Up and over, then come back out. Up and over and rotate, right? So as it's coming up and over, I am swiveling my hip to get to the front. So let's do that a couple times. And let's keep your left hand here doing this rotation, but just keep it lower so that your right hand is aiming to go to the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and over into the butterfly and back. Yes. And up and over and come back. And 5, 6, oh, it's turning from the side. So 5, 6, 7, and up and over into butterfly. And let's come back out to the side. And 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over. And then let's come out to the side. And 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over. And come back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over. Okay, now let's come out to the left side. So same concept. Now here's what's different. Your right hand has to be a little higher so that you can make space for the left hand to come in underneath as you turn. Okay, but it's the same timing. At the bottom of the turn with the left hand, it's going to come up and under and then flip it back out. So 5, 6, 7, and up and under. 5, 6, oh, sorry, come back out. And 5, 6, 7, and up and under. And then flip it out. And you're facing the side. And 5, 6, 7, and up and under. And flip it out. And 5, 6, oh, 5, 6, 7, and flip it underneath. And bring it back out to the side. And 5, 6, 7, and up and under. Okay, now flip to the right, face the right side. Okay, and now you're gonna flip it up and over, and then flip immediately to the left side. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna go to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip it under, then turn right, take out right. Nice. Now we're gonna go left. 5, 6, 7, and flip it up and turn left. Yes, and now we're going to bring it to the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip it underneath and flip right out. Nice. And 5, 6, turning left. Flip it up and over and flip it out. Yes, and now we go right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip the left underneath and flip the right hand out. And now we go left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flip the right up and over and the left comes out. Good. Okay, now we're going to do the opposite of that, but I want you to be able to see me. So all the time that we have just been doing it, overhand butterfly has been on this side. Now I want to switch that so that underhand butterfly is on this side. Okay, so when we're facing the right, this is the opposite of what we were doing before. So we do left hand underhand, right hand overhand. Now, when you go into underhand butterfly, do you have your left hand on top? Okay, so you do it right on top. Great. Okay, so then here's what you want to do. This one, the sensation is going to be different. When the right poi is coming over the top, you're going to scoop in on top of the left hand and then flip it back out. So we're facing the side. So at the top of the turn, you're going to turn left, scoop it in, come over the top of the left hand, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, and scoop it in on top of the left hand and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, and turn and scoop it in on top of the left hand. So you can keep the left hand lower to make space for the right hand even. And then bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and swoop the right hand on top of the left hand into the underhand butterfly and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and swoop the right hand in. And now let's turn to the left side. So Now we've got the right hand underhand, the left hand overhand. Okay, now what you have to remember is when you're turning to your right, you want to aim low with your left hand so that it comes underneath your right hand, because that's how you do your butterfly, right? So as you swoop it in, you swoop underneath the right hand. So we're facing the side, we're going to turn to the right, and 5, 6, 7, and swoop the left hand into underhand butterfly, and turn back left and bring it out. And we're going to turn to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, swoop the left hand in under the right hand into underhand butterfly, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, swoop the left hand in under the right hand into underhand butterfly, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and swoop the left hand in under the right hand, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, swoop the left hand in under the right hand, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and swoop the left hand in under the right hand, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, swoop the left hand in under the right hand, and swoop it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, swoop the left hand in under the right hand, and bring it back out. And 5, 6, 7, 8, swoop the left hand in under the right. Now bring the right hand out. Now swoop the right hand in on top of the left, and bring the left hand out. And bring the left hand in under the right, and bring the right hand out immediately. Now bring the right hand in on top of the left, and bring your left hand out immediately. Yeah. Then take your left under your right, and then the right comes out. And then your right on top of the left, and the left comes out. Facing this side with the left hand overhand. So the other way, left over, right under. Now what I want to do is this. Okay, you do both of them with your right hand on top. So what I want you to do is put your right hand on the left side into overhand butterfly, open it back up, and then bring your left hand into the right side into underhand butterfly, and bringing the left poi underneath the right poi. Right? So we're basically doing a butterfly. So it's open, then a butterfly, open, open. Cross into the butterfly, open it, cross into the butterfly, open it. Okay, so keep your left hand in overhand. Yes, it'll be overhand facing me, and it'll be underhand facing away from me. This is what it'll look like if you do it. So I want you to maybe try and spin a larger diameter circle so you have more time in the rotation. And then cross your right hand on top, open it up, cross your left hand on bottom, open it up. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross your right on top, open it up, cross your left on bottom, open it up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross your right on top, open it up, cross your left on bottom, open it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right crosses top, open it up, left crosses bottom, open it up. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Right crosses to the top, open it back up, left crosses to the bottom, open it back up. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8 right crosses on top to overhand, open it up, left crosses underneath to underhand, and open it back up. 5, 6, 7, right crosses to top, open it up, left crosses underneath, open it up. Your right hand's underneath, your left hand is overhand. Bring your left hand to the right side and open. Left hand to the right side, open. Left hand to the right side, open. Left hand to the right side, open. So we're trying to do some single counts. So turn, open, turn, open, turn, open, turn, open. Ignore your right hand. So wrap up your right poi. We're going to just do the left hand. So I want you to focus on turn and open, turn, open, turn, open, turn, open. Turn and open, turn, turn back, turn, turn back, turn, turn back. So in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out.